Musical doodle. Round and round the record spins all day. Listen again, it takes you far away. Trying to stop it is futile, so just listen now to my musical doodle. Think you control it, but it's way too hard. Every time it plays, it's an electric charge. The sound in your head is brutal. Now you're infected by the musical doodle. Do 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 do. You're gonna listen again to the musical doodle. The song that you ran from it back again. You wonder if the madness will ever end. Trying to stop it is futile, so just listen now to my musical doodle. Do 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 musical doodle. Listen again to the musical doodle.
And that's the new song by the Sonars called Musical Doodle.
Mr. Sun came up and he smiled at me. Said it's gonna be a good one, just wait and see. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. It's the best day
What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea. F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U's for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors when you're...
Plankton. Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff...
Never! That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait. I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again!
Okay.
F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, sharing gum and sun licking here with my best buddy.
Mutiny.
Gary, now I know I was wrong. I messed up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like music to me. Please come home, 'cause I miss you, Gary.
Gary, come home.
Gary, come home.
Gary, come home.
Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind. More than a pet, you're my
Oh, baby, they may call me a fool, but I can't help our gravitational pull. When I stuff you with cotton candy, it reminds me you're so sweet. When we go riding, it's dandy, the way you hang onto the seat. Baby, when I'm with you, our love is stronger than glue. Whoa! Oh, baby! There isn't anything, there's nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you. Hey! Let go of her, you patty eaters! No! Get away! Hiya! Hiya! Wah-cha! Hiya! Hiya-cha! Wah-cha! Ya-ya! Wah-cha! 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 Ya! Hiya-ya-ya-ya-ya! Patty? You okay, sweetums? I'm so sorry. I'll never let you out of my sight again, and I'll always keep you out of harm's way. Oh, baby, I love you so strong. That's why I'm singing this song. Your looks are sweeter than honey, from your pickles to your buns. It ain't even funny. Coming for you! Oh no! Look at you! Don't worry, Patty. I'll take care of this. There you go. All better. Oh, baby.
After a long day of camping, it's nice to unwind with a nice, relaxing campfire song. I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick!
Son! CAMPFIRESONG!
Squidward! Good! It'll help